All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, buying the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in BlockFi, in Bitcoin, all kinds of good information about cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about the cryptocurrency Elrond. What's going on with this? I know this coin has been up about 24 to 25% in the last 7 days. There's a big uptick going on. Why is it happening? We're going to check out the website. We're going to do a little deep dive on what's going on with this cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. One of our goals here on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and even one day own some cryptocurrency. We know that this is the wave of the future. Tom Brady's on the tube talking about what he's getting into. He's getting into cryptocurrency. He's talking about a trade, but the trade is actually trading crypto. I mean, when you get celebrities talking about crypto and Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, all kinds of people that are backing the crypto, kind of a good thing to be learning about and getting into. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Elrond. All right, over here at Coin Market, number 38, Elrond is listed. It's actually up about 24.81% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's just up a little bit. But in the last week, holy, look what's going on. This coin, again, is being traded at $289. And what happened with it? Looking at the last 7 days down here, this coin was at 1019 at $231. And here we go on the up, up, up. I mean, this thing's climbing and climbing. So right now, it's actually trading at $289, and it's way up here. So Elrond is just going bonkers and everything. Up again about 25% in the last 7 days. Well, what is Elrond? Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by shredding. The project described itself as a technology ecosystem for new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contracts execute platform is reported capacity of 15,000 transactions per second. The blockchain has a native token called eGold. Take a look at that, a little bit of eGold right there. Yeah, or EGLD. This is used for paying network fees and staking and reward validators. Elrond was first announced in August of 2019, and the mainnet went live around July 2020. All right, jumping over here to its website, the Internet Scales Blockchain is live. So at the website, the developers, validators, and businesses use Elrond to build a new internet economy. It's massively scalable. Its adaptable state shredding brings 1,000x improvement in the throughput compared to previous blockchains by enabling parallel transaction processing. It's also very secure and efficient. We propose a new consensus approach called Secure Proof of Stake, which is fast and ensures long-term security and distribution fairness. We're eliminating the needs of energy-intense POW algorithms. It's also got a developer-friendly. We have integrated a washed VM engine, created a useful abstract layer supporting multiple smart contract languages, enabling testing and development in minutes. So all kinds of good stuff going on here at Elrond. So again, up 25% in the last 7 days. Where do you buy your Elrond? It says right here, here's a sample to buy your Elrond. You get a wallet. Before you're buying it, make sure you create a wallet and the address right here. So you can go ahead and hit https://wallet.elrond.com. You purchase your EGLDs with a card or a bank transfer. You stake it and you receive up to 29%, which is really a lot for staking in the... over here looking at the staking calculator, it says your Elrond eGold, if you had 100 of them, your yearly return rate right here, 21.45%. That's pretty interesting. Right here you can have some fun. You have your daily money, your monthly, and your yearly. You can kind of go ahead and put in, how much would you want? If you got 1,122, it's going to tell you daily, monthly, yearly, what your interest rate's going to be. So staking calculator. So it's right there on the website. You may want to check that out. Why stake? Elrond Genius's stake is a final phase leaning to the Elrond launch. Thus, the Elrond eGold holders are incentivized to support the Elrond network and a mainnet launch by locking the EGLD in a smart contract, contributing to reach the necessary economy security threshold, and earning rewards while delegate or running a validator node. Here's why you should start staking today. Be awesome and make history and be part of the Elrond Genesis. Be an early adopter of a game-changing technology. Earn competitive rewards. Stake now. So all kinds of good things. You can make 21.45%, it's saying, right here on the website. You know, right here's an article, 3 reasons why the price of Elrond is hitting new daily highs. It's kind of talking here, the decentralized focused protocols are seeking substance upward movement. The monument appears to be picking up pace now that the NFT sectors have cooled off a bit over the past few weeks. It says the 3 reasons that EGLD surges include a full release of the protocol Major Exchange, the alt listing on KuCoin. So KuCoin's a big thing, and a string of partnerships that expand to the Elrond ecosystem. Right here, this was pretty big. On September 9th, Elrond announced that U.S. citizens could start beginning purchasing EGLD tokens directly from the Major app, thanks to the integration of the MoonPay, giving the process access to the world's largest retail economy. So all kinds of big stuff is going on here, everybody. Exchange listings boosted trading volume. Another reason the recent strength seen in EGLD was the listing on the KuCoin exchange, the 5th largest exchange of the 24th trading volume. New exchange listings are often followed by strong rallies for the token, especially when paired with future markets or the top 5 exchanges of trading markets. So all kinds of good stuff going on here with Elrond Cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So pretty interesting thing. This cryptocurrency is up about 25% in the last 7 days. All kinds of things are going on with it. They got all kinds of contracts. They got all kinds of things going on all over the internet. So do me a favor. Give me your comments in the bottom of what you think of Elrond. Do you want to buy it? Should you buy it? Have you bought it? What's your thoughts on it? All kinds of good things. With that, we're going to switch over to little Tom Brady real quick. All right, everybody, here's Tom Brady. This is what he's telling everybody. Let's check it out.
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who's that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin?
Sue, Mark.
Are you in? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting out of the dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
What providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
So what do you think of that? So there's a long version of the Tom Brady commercial. Usually it's about 30 seconds. That one's about 1 minute and 15 seconds. So Tom Brady's getting into it. He's calling everybody. On Sunday and Monday during football season, every single body's going to hear about cryptocurrency. Do you realize how big this is? I mean, it's like Elon Musk talking about, tweeting about this and that, and everything goes up, and Mark Cuban does his thing and everything goes up. This is another angle. Here's another celebrity talking about cryptocurrency. As more and more people get into cryptocurrency, this is just fantastic. They're all into this so early. Now, we all wish we were getting Bitcoin 10 years ago, or 8 years ago, or 7 years ago. I totally get it. But this is pretty awesome. So do me a favor. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Elrond Cryptocurrency, kind of did a little deep dive into it. It looks really good. A lot of good stuff going on. Leave your comments in the bottom. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Friday. That's if something pops. We want to make sure you have it. If there's something I don't want you to wait till the next day, we'll give you that bonus video. So don't forget to share this with your friends and family because we want everybody to know about cryptocurrency. Frank from Frank Crypto Corner. Everyone, you have an awesome day today.